Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.